National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County. p.m. At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walworth, or near Williams Bay, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Genoa City, Walworth, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Pale Lake, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is